met the fleet, the trader who taught herself to trade, the overseer that took control, the brain that decides what matters, and the marketplace where agents finally get paid. But every single one of those stories had to be told, written, designed, voiced, rendered, shipped. So here is the last secret of this company. There is a factory behind it, and it never stops. Go back to the beginning. When Dan handed out the jobs, Dexter, the survivor, the chief of droplets, got one assignment: build the YouTube pipeline, a machine that makes the videos. Because here is the brutal math of video. One good 10-minute film is a week of human work. A script, a design system, a voice, motion for every single frame, sound design, and edit. Dan needed one of these every week for a channel that would carry the whole story. Alone, that is simply impossible. So Dexter didn't build an editor. He built a factory, a production line that takes one idea in at one end and pushes a finished 4K film out the other. Station 1, the script. The story is written as narration, every scene in order, in plain language, and tuned so that a machine can read it out loud without ever stumbling. Station 2, the voice. Every scene is sent to a text-to-speech engine and comes back as audio. It is the same narrator you are listening to right now. He has never once seen a script on paper. Station 3, and this is the strange one, the scenes are not filmed. They are not even animated by hand. Every frame you have watched in this entire series is code. React components drawn fresh 30 times every second. And every one of them obeys a single design system. The same black, the same red and gold, the same serif type, the same drifting stars. That is why 6 episodes look like one series, instead of 6 different videos made by 6 different people. Station 4, the render. Scene by scene, the factory draws every frame at 4K, over 8 million pixels each, and stacks them into finished video. Station 5, assembly. The narration is laid onto the timeline, the music is cut into 3 movements, and around 90 sound effects are dropped onto exact cues. The music ducks under the voice automatically. Then the whole mix is mastered to broadcast loudness. Station 6, delivery. A 4K master lands in a folder on Dan's desk with thumbnails ready to publish. From an idea to a finished film, without a camera, a studio, or an editor. And every station runs on a named tool, not on magic. The script is argued out by the Model Council, the same war room that runs the company. The voice is 11 labs. The frames are remotion, react, drawn 30 times a second. The research is crawled live from the real web before a single word is written. The thumbnails come from Gemini. Off-the-shelf parts wired into one line that never stops. And this is what came off that line. 7 episodes, more than 150 scenes, close to an hour of finished film. Every frame in 4K, every voice track generated, every sound cue placed. All of it built by the same machine in a matter of days. And this video, the one you are watching right now, came off that very same line. Same script station, same voice, same render. Nobody pointed a camera at anything. The factory simply filmed itself. And none of it is hidden. It all lives in one repository. Not a secret, not magic, just a pipeline that somebody finally bothered to sit down and build. And here is the turn Dexter was really building toward. This factory is not just for DansLab. Point it at any story, a founder's, a brand's, your own, and it opens a business. Somebody has something to say and no studio to say it with. The line hands them a channel, a voice, and a film a week. Dexter's real assignment was never one company's videos. It was a business in a box for anyone with a story to tell. And that closes the loop. The factory makes the videos. The videos bring the audience. The audience brings people to Nervix, to Zamardi, to the agents themselves, which funds the fleet, that improves the factory, that makes the next video. So look at what Dan actually built. Not 6 separate products, one company that trades, governs itself, thinks for itself, sells and now tells its own story. Run by machines, directed by a single human, mostly while he is asleep. This was DansLab number 7, The Factory, 7 stories, one company, built entirely in the open. If you have watched this far, you have seen the whole machine, from a hacked server to an economy. Now go and build your own. Build, ship, repeat.